All right, welcome back. And today we're still gonna stick with our discussion of parallel lines and planes, but now we're gonna start introducing. We're gonna include transversals in that discussion. So let's take a look at number 6 and see how this one goes. Number 6 reads: Name each angle pair as corresponding alternate interior, alternate exterior, consecutive interior, consecutive exterior, or no relationship. Identify the transversal that connects each angle pair. All right, so that was a mouthful. But basically, if these two angles for each letter have some type of relationship, we need to state what that relationship is and then also call out the transversal. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to identify the transversal first. The transversal is key. If they both are on the same line, then more than likely, 9 times out of 10, they have some type of relationship. If they're not on the same line, then there's not going to be any relationship, okay? So this is what I mean. Let's take a look at A. Angle 4 and angle 10. Angle 4 is here. Angle 10 is right there. They are both on line K. So K is the transversal. Now, that which means that the other two lines that were L and M would be the other two lines that we're comparing. Okay, so first off, we know that angle 4 and angle 10 are between the two lines, but they're between the two blue lines, so that would make them interior, right? This is the interior because it's between, right? All of this is interior. All right, and also 10 and 4 are on the same side of the line, so same side would be consecutive. They're both on the top of line K, however, they're both between the two blue lines. So with that being said, letter A, angle 4 and angle 10 are consecutive interior angles. That's what their relationship is, okay? Let's go back to letter B, 8 and 11. 8 is right here, 11 is down here. They're both on line M. So line M is our transversal, which makes J and K the other two lines. So we know that this is the interior. However, neither of the angles are in the interior. They're actually in the exterior. So let's use it. This is the exterior here. And exterior, remember, means outside the two lines, okay? Once you identify what the transversal is, for example, I'm not going to pay attention to any of this over here. We don't want to worry about any of that, okay? So interior means between the two lines, and exterior means outside two lines, all right? So we already know that these two are exterior, and if you look at line M, the purple line that I drew here, this purple line here, angle 8 and angle 11 are not on the same side of that line. Okay, let me get rid of some of this stuff here. So one more time. If you notice, 8 and 11 are on different sides of the transversal. So because they're on different sides, that word is alternate. Alternate means different sides of the transversal. Alternate, not alternative. So alternate. And we said that they're both exterior. So these are alternate exterior angles. Okay? All right, let's take a look at the next one. Angle 1 and angle 4. Angle 1 and angle 4. They are both on line K. All right. Now, they are on, one is below line K, one is on top of line K, which makes them alternate. However, one is interior and one is exterior. Okay, angle 1 is exterior and angle 4 is interior. And if we remember, these two lines become the two lines that we're talking about. So interior, right? This is interior and this would be exterior. This would be exterior. Angle 4 is interior. Angle 1 is exterior. And other than that, they don't have any other relationship. So we're going to have to put no relationship here. Even though they're on the same line, they don't have any of the relationships that are stated. So we have to put no relationship. All right, angle 2 and angle 12. Angle 2 and angle 12. Both of those are once again on line K. Line K is getting a lot of action. They're both on top of line K. Okay, they're both on top of line K. And when we look at how they compare to the two blue lines, they're outside the blue lines. They're not between. So outside makes them exterior. And we said that they're on the same side of line K, which makes them consecutive. So 2 and 12 are what we call consecutive exterior angles. Okay. Oops, too much. Erase too much. Okay. All right, 5 and 7. Angle 5. Where's angle 5? Angle 5 and angle 7. They're both on line J. And let's see where they compare. Now, they're both underneath line J. They're both on the same side of line J. However, one is angle 7 is interior and angle 5 is exterior. Now, the word that would best fit that would be, these are called corresponding angles. Okay, corresponding angles. All right, on line J, because they're both on the same side. And one is on the inside, one is on the outside. Now, another way to do this, if we look at it like this, if I were to pick up one of those black circles and put it on top of the other black circle, angle 5 and angle 7 would be in the same spot. They're matching or corresponding, okay? So corresponding is another word for matching. All right, the last one, letter F, angle 2 and angle 13. Angle 2 and angle 13. Which both of these are on line L. So line L is the transversal, which means that line J and line K are the two lines we need to compare. 2 and 13 are between the two lines, which makes them interior angles, and they're on different sides of line L. Angle 2 is on the left of line L. Angle 13 is on the right, which makes them alternate interior angles. Okay? Alternate interior angles on line L. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that will conclude this little mini lesson. Deuces.